So many different things can happen with light. We know that light can be produced. The sun produces light. We learned about electrical circuits last week and how we can produce light with electricity. We did it with our lab when we made the Christmas light light up. Light can also be reflected. When we have light that is reflected, or we have a reflection, it means we have bouncing light. For example, when you look in a mirror and your image is bounced right back to you. The moon does not produce light. It is the result of the sun reflected. The reason we can see the moon is because the sunlight is reflecting off its surface. Anything shiny is usually creating a reflection and bouncing that light. Light can also be diffused. When we have diffused light, the light is actually scattered in all directions. Many of our translucent items that only let some of the light shine through are causing diffused light and causing it to go in all different directions. As we talked about with the rainbow, light can also be refracted. This is when you have light that bends. One common place that we see refraction happening is with a glass of water. If you've ever gotten a glass of water or other clear liquid and put a straw in it and looked at it from the side, it actually looks like that straw is broken or misplaced. Or if you notice when you're swimming in the pool and it looks like your arm is not meeting up or your legs are not meeting up right, this is depending on where the surface of the water is hitting. That's because of refraction. That light is bending when something is refracted. Light can also be absorbed as heat. The blacktop on our playground is a good example. In the summertime or in the early fall or late spring when we're outside, the blacktop is not the most popular place to be. That dark color will absorb the light from the sun and turn it into heat. So it's much hotter in that area than it is in other places.